powerful instrument which ever used by the youth and citizens, by all citizens for break down all injustice. Let's look behind in our Indian history. How our Indian history elaborates the all as theme about one election and one mission. Our history, we all know about that period of Vedas, Janpadas, Mahajanpadas, and emergence of the great empire like the Maurya, Gupta, and Mughals. All had a centralized and stable administrative system and emphasized all long-term policies like and also the frequently changes in leadership. Following that, in British rule, law and act was passed by them and also introduced a three-term election, which is not all which is a limited form of the democracy. In the 1950, our constitution rule book was introduced. All the provision about the election and after the independence in till the 1962, we our Indian nation introduced one election and one policy, one nation in our nation. But after due to some political instability and fragmentation, after 1967, we changed our policy, and again in 2025, we here to introduce our old model with modern challenges, and let's we overcome these challenges. Okay, and every new perspective in the society come with benefits and also the disadvantages. One nation, one election policy come with benefits like cost reduction in resources, less disruption in governance, and also the increase in water, also the reduce political instability, and also other side of this, we concern about our federalism. Also, the constitution amendment not as easy as demonstrated mentioned in a paper, but also in practical implementation. It is very difficult task to implement in society. All with technical and efficient technological advancement for easy execution, and also absolutely it's a time to move forward with new thinking, new determination, and new mindset. Let's do that. Thank you.